Good morning, y'all. Check out this dual cheetah 1956. It's a V8, all original. Let's take a tour of it. You want to purchase this car? It is clean. It's at Autosports design in Huntington, New York. You're definitely not seeing this on the road. Check out the white wall tires. Man, you see it's glistening, it's clean. It's dripping right here. Check this out, all original. Air conditioned, carburetor. It's a convertible. Check out the interior. Interior is clean. And look at this dash. Let's put attention to detail. Got a radio and record player in your car back in 1956. Check out the cluster. Wow. Man, you cruising down on the road with this. See a gear shifter. Like I said, this car is for sale. It is at Autosports Designs in Huntington. I'm gonna leave the description of where to purchase this car. You can check this car out. But check out the lines on this. All original. Its tails. It's clean. The chrome is clean. It's not even pitted or anything. 631-425-1555. Good guys that's here. Man, this thing just caught my eye. It's clean. Let's see if we can take a look from the front. Here, getting the battery charged. Let's check out the grill. Oh my gosh. It looks like a maroon, black cherry, red color. But the car is clean. And if this don't fancy you, they got a whole lot of cars in inventory, ready to go. Come on down, check them out. Exo Motorsports, let them know Exo Motorsports sent you. And we coming to you live. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can always get notification on new videos coming out. So that it's getting summer and in springtime. So you know a lot of events are going to be happening that we're going to be covering. And then we're at just to say hello. Come on down. Stay tuned. Exo Motorsports coming to you live on Exo Media TV. Check out the classics. You know we love those classics. Classic Mustang right here with the custom wheels. '68 Porsche. And you know what's drawing my eye? My Aston Martins. Oh, my Aston Martins right here. From being a kid, love Aston Martin from that James Bond. James had me open with that. Check out the interior. Go another one. Oof. Yeah, you know it's a Dino Ferrari. Yep, 1974. Coming to you live, all raw footage. Stay tuned.